will be making some pancakes. You will be needing 1 medium-sized egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 cup water. Number 1 pack Maya original fluff tasty hot cake mix, 250 grams. Okay. And since we don't have pretty much 1 medium-sized egg, we only have like a little one, so we brought 2. Okay, now I will be telling you where here there is a water bottle and a measuring cup of the egg, and okay, we're going to do this one until we reach the sticks. And this is where we put the oil. I can't really see it. And this is the ripened banana, and I really want the flavor that. And here's the spoon where we, kill the banana pretty much. And this is where we put everything in, and then later on we can put it inside the microwave. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, continuing on, we're going to put this inside here, but I will be giving you guys a warning. You will need a doll. So, here's the scissors. Tita Kat, can you help me because